Here's another nice little trailer that's come in on our pre-owned lot here at Arbutus RV in sunny Port Alberni. The sun is shining. It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon. This trailer has got a single propane tank on the front. It's a 2015 Winnebago Winnie Drop 1710. And I'm just going to do a little walk around on the outside. It's got a manual awning, but it's got one of those crank out style ones, so it's not a hard one to get in or out. It takes about 5 seconds and the awning is fully extended. Same thing to put it away, not much to it at all. It's just part way out right now. Alright, so this is an aluminum frame trailer with block foam insulation, so great insulation, good for our climate around here. And even a little cooler, I'm sure. It's got a nice widespread stance with the wheels extending a little bit beyond the body. Very similar to our Forest River product, the Arbutus. I'm sure Winnebago copied the design. Which one did it first, right? So that's the exterior. Excellent looking graphics. This trailer's been very well looked after. Just a single step to get inside and a nice assist handle. This folds down into a bed, and you can take that table outside too if you'd like. So you can fit 3 or 4 adults around the table comfortably. There's the counters. A little bit of prep storage, hot and cold water there in the sink. You've got a front bed, microwave, fridge freezer combo, a little bit of storage underneath the bed. There's the all-in-one wet bath and a little TV. You get a view up front from the bedroom or hallway area. Stereo, there's outside speakers on this as well. Go back outside because it's such a nice day. Take another look. So there you got a light, a couple of speakers. That is a 2015 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 1710. You can tow it with just about any SUV or small truck. Alright, hope you enjoyed that video. Have a wonderful day.